Hey guys, it's Lindsay and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Facebook problem this page isn't available at the moment. So let's get started. First and foremost, you're going to want to make sure that your phone is updated. So let's go to the App Store. Once you're in the App Store, you're going to type in Facebook at the top search bar. So to the right of Facebook, it'll either say open or update. If it says open, your app is fully up to date. If it says update, that means you are in need of an update. So go ahead and update your app. The reason we update apps is because it gets rid of any bugs or lags that the previous update may have had. So if updating your phone doesn't work, the next thing we can do is switch your phone to LTE. So swipe down from the upper right-hand corner, and you're going to want to switch off your Wi-Fi like this. This is what it looks like off. This is what it looks like on. You're going to want to switch it off. The reason we switch off our Wi-Fi is because sometimes a cellular connection is much stronger than a Wi-Fi connection. If updating your app doesn't work and switching to LTE doesn't work, the next thing we can do is check the location settings for Facebook. So let's go to settings. You're going to scroll down all the way to where it says Facebook, click on Facebook, and then location is the first option. You're going to want to make sure that while using the app is clicked on, not never, not ask next time, while using the app. Or you can do always, but that means it's going to run in the background while you're not using the app. So I usually just choose while using the app. Now, if playing around with your location settings, switching to LTE, and updating your app doesn't work, I do suggest uninstalling the app and reinstalling it. So that means deleting it off your phone and reinstalling it through the App Store. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any other questions on this video, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.